When this submitter walked out to his parked Tesla, he found a large scratch all over the passenger side. The 4 cameras that were built into the Tesla had captured it all. Let's take it from the beginning because this submitter and the police need your help to identify the vandal. The submitter had parked at the Costco in Sunnyvale, California, close to the Lawrence Expressway. Sentry mode was triggered and started recording when the Honda owner parked next to him started loading stuff into the back seat of their vehicle. From this angle, we can see he started off by leaning his shopping cart against the back end of the Tesla while loading his groceries. Then he walked around the Tesla, inches away from scraping the passenger doors with the cart, but he didn't make contact. Instead, he dragged his metal bracelet hard against the Tesla's paint, leaving a scratch so deep that repainting it won't be enough to fix it. The submitter was shocked when he reviewed the footage and immediately called the police to make a report. The police are investigating, but they need help identifying this person since Sentry mode didn't capture his license plate number. If you happen to recognize this man or his vehicle, please call the Sunnyvale Police Department at 408-730-7100 or send them an email.